Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fabi Yulisarli. In this video, I will present about my speech with the title is The Bad Side of Fast Fashion Industry. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the opportunity given to me to deliver my speech about the bad side of the fast fashion industry. As we all know, the fashion industry has grown rapidly in recent years, affecting people from all social classes. As a result of this evolution, the fashion industry has given rise to a fashion model known as fast fashion, which can produce clothes quickly and follow the latest trend. Fast fashion is particularly popular in Indonesia because it provides low-cost, high-quality clothing. Some well-known fast fashion brands in Indonesia include H&M, Zara, Forever 21, and the others. Despite the fact that provide expensive apparel, the existence of the fashion is actually negative news that contributes to society consumption mentality. Furthermore, the fast fashion has a negative influence on the environment and humanity, which is the main topic of my speech. In today's speech, I will discuss some of the negative effects or the downside of the fashion industry. First, it causes negative environmental impact. In this case, is water pollution. To make the clothes they will market, the fashion industry needs a number of toxic chemicals in the textile fabric manufacturing process. If it's not properly managed, this chemical can cause water pollution in river, stream, and even the sea, affecting the life of the marine ecosystem. Not only chemicals that come from factories, chemicals from cloth waste that are thrown away can also pollute water. Second, the fashion industry contributes to the majority of carbon emission. According to Ellen MacArthur Foundation, the fashion industry accounts for at least 10% of global carbon emission. This is due to excessive production of fabric from the factory they use. Even if this continues, it is expected to increase to 16% by 2013. Then, what is the impact of the environment? Well, if carbon emission continue to increase, it will cause the depletion of the ozone layer and cause extreme climate change around the world. And last but not least, the impact of fast fashion on human rights. The fashion industry has long been known to exploit workers from low social classes. They often work every extreme hours for very low wage. Not only that, they are also in dangerous condition without any protection right as happened in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, Thailand, and even in Indonesia. Worst of all, they make no exception and exploit child labor to make cheap clothes that will be distributed throughout the world. In conclusion, the fast fashion does offer a cheap and trendy solution for people, especially those from the lower middle class. But without realizing it, we also contribute to the destruction and exploitation of the social environment. Then we do? In my opinion, the last thing we can do is to avoid overconsumption by not always buying clothes just because it follows the trend, and we should start using clothes that are still decent, like the concept over by the thrift shop. That's the end of my speech. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.